Nearly 25,000 homebuyers are likely to be hit as the National Company Law Tribunal has declared the real estate developer Supertech bankrupt. The Company Law Tribunal has allowed initiation of insolvency proceedings against the Supertech. This after the Union Bank of India took Supertech to the tribunal over defaulting low repayment of rupees 432 crores. Supertech said that it is planning to challenge the order and specified that out of their 38,041 customers, homes had been delivered to over 27,111 customers. And I'm being joined by my colleague Ayushman from Delhi NCR. Ayushman, this case has been in news since the last 1 year. We saw how even the top court wrapped these Supertech developers, asking them to either repay the home buyers or face jail. So if you could just give us a timeline of the events and what lies ahead for the home buyers.
It is going to be difficult for all those home buyers who are already waiting for a very long period of time for the possession of their houses. The insolvency initiation from the NCLT is definitely going to hit a roadblock. If you see, the company says that it will be going to the higher authorities in order to seek some kind of respite. That is unlikely in this case because the Union Bank of India has taken this matter to the appellate authority, and they have said that somewhere the insolvency proceeding should start. The company defaulted on the loans of the Twin Tower that we saw being raised after the Supreme Court order. From that point only, we have seen this company being in news. But currently, if you see, it is definitely going to be a turbulent time for all those home buyers, nearly 25,000 of them who are currently in middle of nowhere because the company has been declared bankrupt, and somewhere their possession or their home of a new, their dream of a new home is definitely not becoming true because of the company's situation right now.
All right, we continue with our coverage. I'm being joined by Mr. D.K. Sinha, who is one of the Supertech home buyers. Sir, can you hear me?
We can hear you, and you can see I am with my friends, and they have recently shifted to the Supertech Eco Village 2, and you can see the background where society is partially completed. Even you can see there is no boundary wall, no security, and these guys are without registry, and they don't know what will be next. Can you tell me?
Yeah, so hi, we have taken our flat as a possession, but we can say it is illegal possession. In fact, the tower did not get OCCC, right, completion certificate from authority. And the second big point is that the registry, which will happen after getting the OCCC, that is also pending. So we are suffering, and we are afraid what will happen, right? So this is the problem. Yeah.
Myself, Sudhir. Basically, there are so many mosquitoes problems. No security. All the roads are totally open. Nothing. Even 10 persons are living here. They are in 10%. Somehow, myself also trying to just shift from here because there is nothing. Nothing like that. No police. Nothing. No security. There are huge types of problems in Supertech.
So you understand that this facility is partially completed, even club is not completed, and we are paying full charges for the maintenance, whatever things residents are paying, but facility maintenance and all the things registry people are don't know what will happen after this bankruptcy. Over to you.
Sir, I wanted to ask another question here. What is your next course of action now that the company has been declared bankrupt and thousands of other home buyers have been left in the lurch just like you? So what is your next plan of action?
Sir, we are continuously fighting every Saturday and Sunday. We are all with Supertech office and just argue on all the aspects, but result is nothing. All out next Saturday, it's zero.
We have done multiple dharnas at CO office for the registration of the flat. Amit, you were also there. Can you put some words?
Yeah. So, ma'am, the next course of action would be the protest. In fact, we are waiting for. We are waiting for 1 or 2 days. What would be the the result? In fact, the result is already there. Supertech has gone. So we are from Nefova. We have a Nefova organization who is fighting for the flat owner since 10 years. Abhishek is president of Nefova. So under his guidance, we are continuously fighting to get the flat. In fact, with the help of him, we got the flat, and now continuously we will fighting for the facility which we have not received yet, which is our right. So we will definitely fight under Nefova and with Abhishek ji, and this would be our course of action. Apart from that, we have so many colleagues who has not got the flat, right? So for them also we are worried, and we are planning to definitely go to court. But this decision will be taken later on after observation of the activity which is going on. So let's see what happens.
And we will like to ask the media team to help us by raising our voice to the higher management, politicians, and government.
Yes.
Thank you. Next.
Yes, definitely, sir. In fact, I want to highlight here that Mirror Now is one of the very few channels which has been relentlessly covering this whole issue. Another question that I want to ask you here is that if you could just give us a sense of how difficult your fight has been so far, how much loss have you incurred in terms of, if we just talk about the financial loss, besides the physical and the mental trauma, how difficult was it? And if you could just give us a lowdown of the financial loss that you've suffered so far.
Yeah, that question is very good question. Since so many flat owners are waiting for since 10 years, right? And they have paid all the money. They have paid all the cost of these flats, right? So after getting this news, they are in shock, right? What will happen? We don't know. You can see the result of Amrpali. The Amrpali bar were fighting, so long, and after a long fight, uh, Amrpali was took over by the government NVCC organization, and the work is going on in full swing, right? So we have discussed with our president, Nefova president Abhishek ji, and we are planning to fight the way we have fought for Amrpali, right? So definitely, if it will require, we will move to the court to get the flat for the friends who has not got the possession yet. In fact, they are in shocking mood. They now they have decided that they have lost everything. They are not going to take anything. I mean nothing is there. They lost everything, all whole earning money. They lost.
So people are who are paying EMIs for the flat and rent for their living. It's a very pathetic situation after post-corona. Many people are jobless, and with work income, only one is working out of two families. So definitely, it will be tough to move further because of everything depends upon the court. Next to you.
Yeah, well, that's right. We hear directly from the people who are bearing the brunt of Supertech owners who were not responsible enough to make the repayment to the home buyers. And these are the voices from the home buyers who've in fact been duped of their hard-earned money. Thank you so much for your time, sir, and hats off to you for putting up this strong fight.